Hi everyone and welcome to the Cricut Minute. Today we will learn how to change colors in a single layer or multi-layer design. Let's start with the cute cupcake on the right first. It's easier because you only have one layer. Click on the design to select it. Then in the top section under Operation we will be able to pick the color of our choice. Here, purple. When we select a multi-layer sticker such as the cake slice on the left of the screen, we can see a question mark instead of the color. If you select a color such as black in this example, all the different layers will be black. If you did that by mistake, you can click on the arrow on the top left to undo. To change the color, we need to look at the different layers. To do so, let's go on the right section and click on the arrow next to cake. Now we can see all the different layers with the different colors. For each layer, select it on the right, then click on the color squared under Operation and select the color of your choice. We can change one by one the color of each layer. For example, lighter color for the icing or darker red for the cherry. Let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day!